Hello friends, welcome to Brighter API. I am Milind Mehta. In this tutorial, we will going to learn a GCF, means a greatest common factor. We had learned in the schoolings a GCF and LCM. In my last tutorial, I have made a tutorial for the LCM, which is least common multiple. Please see in the above card, and in this tutorial, we are going to learn a GCF. So let's start it. We will learn a GCF, means greatest common factor. Okay, we are going to start it. It's very simple. We will understand with it. If you want to find out the uh, GCF for the 5 and 15, let me take a pencil on it. 5 and 15. Let's do for the 15 and 25. Sorry, 15 and 25. So how much the number we can divide with the 5 and 15? With the 5. So what it will be? 3. 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 15. Does 3 and 5 divisible by any number? Yes, only one, not any more number. So our GCF, what will be our GCF for this number? GCF is equal to 5, which is because it is a very common factor. If you want to do a GCF for the 2 and 4, it's very simple, which is a 2 and 4. So 2 divided by 1, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So what will be the GCF for the 2 and 4? It will be a 2. So which is the common factor which we call a GCF. So let's start writing the code. Here I have taken one class which is the GCF. In that we have maken a scanner and taken one value m. Okay, I have taken a b, which is an array, and with the iterating value we will take that how many numbers of the values we are going to be count for the GCF. So initially we will find a count for the two numbers, and we will write a method for the two numbers, and later on we will convert it to the array. Okay, so let's start it. I'm writing one method that which is a static integer, find GCF integer a and integer b. Let me return 0, so it should not show the error. So otherwise integer GCF is equal to 0, which will return GCF. Okay. Now we will take one list only, very simple, not integer. I don't want to write a method as always that which is the greatest number. So we are just practicing with the collection as well. So you can learn a connection as well. This is the number list is equal to new array list. Imported that value. Integer array list. Array list integer. So we will add both the number list into the dot add a and b. For just getting familiar with the collection, that's why we are using the collection here. Okay. So if you want to find a maximum number, the integer max number is equal to collections COLLECTION collection dot max from the number list. Okay. So it will just return you a maximum. That is why we are going to. Okay, it's a multiplication and division process, so we should not take with the 0. So I am changing with the GCF is equal to 1. Okay. We will need to write a one loop. So GCF. Okay. So GCF, if we will think for the 15 and 25, we want to fetch out the number. So what we will do, we will start from the maximum number. Okay, so we will write integer I is equal to maximum number. We will start the loop. Okay, how it will go when it should be greater than 1 because it should be divisible by 2. Okay, and I minus means, okay, because we need to decrease it. Okay, the number. Okay, for check, let's think 15 and 25. Okay, so we will check from the 25. So 25 and 15 both are divisible by 25. No. 15 and 25 are they divisible by 24? No. Okay, so we will check a one boolean variable which will just for the check, and we are going to initialize it. Okay. After that we need to take a one more loop. So here we will check that both the number are divisible by or not. Okay, so if integer j is equal to 0, okay, because we want to iterate it as well, j should be less than number list dot size, okay, and the j plus plus. So whatever the number list are the coming, we need to iterate it as well. So what we need to check, if number list is percentage by 0, oh sorry, it is number list dot, we need to take out that value, okay, percentage by I, because we are going to divide it by I, is equal to 0. Okay. Then what should we do? It should be a plus. Okay. If this will be a true, then we need to check is equal to true. Okay. Else what we need to do? Check is equal to, yes, check is equal to false, and we need to break the loop. Okay. After that, what we need to do, we will write out of the here. What we will write, if check. If check is only true, then what we need to do, we need to check we need to change the number of the maximum number. So if that suppose that we will think for the 16 and 32. Okay, so if it is divided by 16, then we need to change the maximum number of the loop. So it should not be always start with the great number. So we are just changing it to here. So integer j is equal to 0. Okay, j less than number list dot size, and the j plus plus. Okay, how we will change the number? So for the getting familiar with the collection, we are going to write this number list dot set. Okay, what the number we need to set? J, and what the number we need to replace? So by whatever the number it is divisible by, we need to replace with this same number. What number we need to replace? Divided by I. So it will replace it. Okay, and whatever the number is coming, we need to assign into the GCF as well, and we need to do a multiplication with that as well. And the another thing, we need to change the maximum number. So I just copy this. And we will return a GCF symbol. Okay. We will call this method with something another method. Okay. Which should be overloading this method, integer find GCF, because above one will be calling an array. So we are just writing an array, integer result is equal to array of 0. We will write a one loop, integer I should not be start with the 0. So we are because we have taken a 0 in the integer result. Okay, and the I less than array dot length and I plus plus. And we will call a below method result. We will store the value if that is more number has been coming to the there, find GCF, and what we call result, and we need to pass array of I, and we need to return something as well. We need to return a result. So we will call this number find GCF, find GCF. What we need to pass? To pass B, and we need to store a GCF, and we need to just print this GCF is plus GCF. So let's run this and check the output. How many number initially we are taking a M, how many number we need that, so we need a 2 number. Okay, after that we need to pass 15 and 25. What it should be? It should be a 5. Okay, so it's returning a 5. So how it is going to be run? Let's understand it again. So it will come to the here 0 value. Okay, find GCF. So array of 0 will be here. Array of 0 will be here. So 5 and 15 and 25 will be here. Okay, so it will come to this method. What it will do? It will add into the list A and B. After that, what it will be checked? 15 and 25. Which number is greater? Which is a 25. So 25 will be a maximum number. Okay. I is equal to 25. Okay. Then it will come into the next loop. J is equal to 0. So what it will check? 25 is the number of list is what it will be? 15. 15 divided by 25. Is it remainder 0? No. 15 divided by 25, 24, 23. Okay, it will be decrease. So lastly, what it will become? It will be divided by 5. Yes. So what it will do? It will go number list 15. First it will check, yes, 15 is divisible by 5 and 25 is also divisible by 5. So it will check true. After checking the true, what we will do? We are here initializing the number list. What it will do? If we are getting a check is true and number list of 15, what is that we are going to be replaced? It is the 3 and the another is 5. After that it will check only for the 5 and it will decrease it, and we are storing that 5 to be here, and again we are iterating with the only with the maximum number, just because if more numbers is coming and for not the confusion. Okay, thank you for watching my video, guys. Please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it, and please do share your comments